Do you want to instantly sound more approachable? There's one tiny thing you can do. It works even when people can't see you. Hi, I'm Lizzie Butler. With 25 years in communication and sales, I teach practical communication skills to help you influence positively, perform at your best, and achieve the outcomes you need. Here's the trick. Smile while you talk. Seriously, that's it. When you smile, it actually changes how your voice sounds. It adds brightness and warmth to your tone. People can literally hear it even if they can't see your face. This is super useful on phone calls when the other person can't see you, and also on video meetings when it might be a little unclear. They might not see your smile, but they'll definitely hear it in your voice. Try this yourself. Firstly, say something, anything, without smiling. Just talk normally. Listen to how you sound. It's probably pretty flat, maybe a little cold or neutral. Now do it again, but this time smile while you're talking. Notice the difference? Your voice goes up a bit, there's more energy, more warmth. It sounds friendlier and more open. You can actually hear the smile. People tell me all the time, Lizzie, you always sound so happy, you're always smiling. And it's true, I am. When I smile while I talk, it changes my voice and helps me connect with people the way I want to. Now, just a quick note, smiling isn't always appropriate for every conversation. If you're having a serious or difficult talk, you might need a different tone. But for most everyday conversations, especially when you're trying to build a connection or start things off well, smiling is the easiest thing you can do. Remember, one tiny change, smile, makes you sound warmer and more approachable instantly. People hear it even when they can't see you. It's that simple. If this gave you something to think about, like it, share it, and follow for more.